I think we can do better than that. It's Christmas Eve, and of course we're in the spirit of giving, which is the whole point of this video. It's about the art of giving, and of course I'm gonna leave this location. I do not know why I have these AirPods in. Well, I do know, it's because I was watching YouTube videos. When you're younger, you don't really have to focus on really giving people gifts. You might go with your mum to Toys R Us to pick out a Nerf gun for your friend because it's his 10th birthday. I think when it comes to gift giving, at a young age, we're more focused on receiving gifts. But as I've gotten older, I've become a lot more enthusiastic about actually giving gifts to people, especially when it's the right gift and you know it's something that they actually want. Giving gifts to people gives you a different type of happiness as opposed to receiving a gift from someone, because you know it's nice to receive a gift from someone and you all get happy and it's like, wow, I can't believe you got me this, I've wanted it for so long. But giving someone that gift just feels entirely different. It's like a warm feeling. You know, when you know you've made someone happy. Unless you're a sociopath and you don't care, then maybe you don't know what I'm talking about whatsoever. In which case, I don't know what to say to you. One of the best gift givers in my life is one of my closest friends, Shimu Mohammed, who I'm sure you've seen in some of my videos on my Instagram. He is a fellow member of the Yardstick podcast as well. His birthday's coming up. He doesn't celebrate Christmas, but his birthday is next month. And I took it upon myself to organise for him one of the best gifts I think he'll receive. So for a little bit of context, Shimu is a photographer. Check out his photography page on Instagram. I'll put the @ here. And because he's a photographer, I really wanted to get him something that would benefit him for his craft and his work, that he'd be able to use every day and would actually be beneficial to him. But with niches such as this, he might have everything that he needs already. So I took it upon myself to just flat out ask him, hey man, what do you have? What is your full camera bag kit? Now I already had in mind what I wanted to get in, but I wanted a little bit of confirmation just so I knew I was hitting the nail on the head with this one. So I just straight up asked him, hey man, what is your camera bag kit? And he replied with a full list. Now, because I am also in the same sort of realm of creativity and all of that stuff, I could have been strictly asking because I wanted to delve deeper into photography and I wanted to know what essentials I needed. Shimu, if you're watching this now, let me know whether you didn't know or not. So he gave me a full list. At the end of the list, he said, I need a new camera bag, which was great because I wanted to get him a camera bag in the first place. But, ladies and gentlemen, not just any camera bag. Oh no, a camera bag which is renowned on YouTube as the best camera bag ever, which is actually from top YouTube photographer Peter McKinnon. Both Shimu and I enjoy Peter McKinnon's content and we've watched his videos and talked about his products in the past, and so because of that I thought it would be a great gift to give him. Only thing is, Peter, your bag is £500, so I needed some help. Now thankfully Shimu is a likable person, so he does have friends, so of course when there are friends and a gift needs to be got, a group chat is created. So I created a group chat on WhatsApp called Crypto Club. And I told people straight away, listen guys, this is not actually for crypto, but for your friend Shimu's birthday. And from there, because he's such a lovely man, everyone said, yep, sure, I'm willing to give money, spend that cash for Shimu to be happy on his birthday. So I gathered up that money and I made the purchase, and I've actually got the package. I've got the package in the basement because it's big and I didn't want to take up space in my bedroom. So yeah, this is where this part of the video ends, up until I can actually film the reaction of giving this bag to Shimu, and hopefully we get a lovely reaction, and that finishes the video. So the present is there all right for him. He's there in the car. I really don't know how I'm gonna get this into the boot as a surprise, but I'm gonna try. Hello, happy birthday.
Thank you. You can come in.
I'm gonna come in. Can you open your boot for me, please? Is it already open? Alright, he's gonna open the boot for me. Turn on the headlights. How'd you get the back ones done? Let me see. Show me. Show me how you get the back one done. Open it.
Hey, fucking open your boot. Who's it got in there? Hey!
What's that? How did that get in there?
We're gonna put you in there.
Open
it.
The TV in there.
Did you know it was this?
There's Ronaldo in there. I see you carrying up. Brother wasn't here.
What is that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
When did you order it?
Huh?
What is that?
What do you mean? When did I order, man? Wow.
Whoa! See, I never knew that.
That's a luggage, bruv.
That's actually a travel bag. I think.
The YouTubers say it's the best one ever, apparently. That's what Peter said.
Everyone.
Thank you guys.
One person.
Oh shit.
Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel.
For the content. He don't even like you. He's thank you guys.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give a like and leave a comment down below. What was the best gift that you've given to someone? Did you make their day, their year? Did they love you for it forever? Are you still friends with them now? It would be a bit sad if you wasn't, so I hope you are. And yeah, in the spirit of 2022, give gifts to people when it's not even their birthdays. Give gifts to them just because they're a great friend, and I'm sure you feel great for doing so. Anyway, other than that, guys, take care, and I'll see you later.